The Sigma 500mm f4 DG/OS HSM Sports is the flagship lens of the sports line and is designed for the most challenging shoots and the most demanding professional users. The lens is made of a lightweight and extremely durable magnesium alloy and is dust and splash proof. The front of the lens features a water and oil repellent coating that lets you easily wipe off ocean spray, for example. All parts of the lens are built to be as light as possible, therefore the included hood is made from strong but lightweight carbon. The lens features a fixed tripod socket that can be rotated in 90 degrees click stops. A dedicated switch can easily turn off the rotation. Included with the lens is a carrying strap to prevent stress on the camera mount while carrying the lens. Optically, the Sigma 500 f4 DG/OS HSM Sports meets the standards of the most demanding professional photographers. It includes 2 FLD and 1 SLD element, while the optimized power distribution helps minimize spherical aberration and axial chromatic aberration. To meet the high demands of the professional photographers, the Sigma 500mm f4 DG/OS Sports has 2 autofocus modes, one for general shooting and one especially for quick panning and tilting action. A built-in acceleration sensor works flawlessly with Sigma's new OS algorithm for precise and reliable results when moving the lens horizontally, vertically or diagonal, regardless of the position of the lens. The hypersonic motor, completely new designed, which guarantees a faster and quieter autofocus. A dedicated switch lets photographers choose between autofocus presets, and the lens is incorporated with a full manual override. The autofocus is effective even when used with teleconverters. When attached to Sigma's high-end teleconverter TC1401 or TC2001, it produces an autofocus 700mm f5.6 hypertelephoto lens or an autofocus 1000mm f8 hypertelephoto lens respectively. The Sigma 500mm f4 DG/OS HSM Sports can be used with Sony E-mount cameras when attached to Sigma mount converter MC11. Compatible mounts are Sigma mount and Canon EOS mount from the Sigma Global Vision line. At the back of the lens there is a slot for a drop-in filter. The lens comes standard with a drop-in protector filter, but photographers can use a circular polarized filter, RCP11, which is sold separately. You can customize the lens settings by connecting it to the optional Sigma USB dock. With the Sigma Photo Pro software, you can install firmware updates and customize settings like focus adjustments, the settings of the full-time manual operations, as well as the adjustment of the timing to switch to manual focus when rotating the focus ring. The Sigma 500mm f4 DG/OS Sports is expected in November at a recommended retail price of €6,499. It will be available in Sigma, Canon and Nikon mount. The lens for the Nikon cameras includes the electromagnetic diaphragm mechanism and is able to receive the appropriate signals from the camera body. This feature ensures precision diaphragm control and stable auto exposure performance during continuous shooting.